Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 9 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2185. Counting words with a given prefix. Okay, so this problem is actually very easy. Okay, so let's try to solve it using easy way. Okay, but if you guys need the solution using try approach, okay, then just let me know. Okay, in the comment section I will make a separate video using try approach. Okay, so now let's solve this problem using some built-in functions that are given in strings. Okay, so let's read the problem step first. You are given an array of strings words and a string prefix. Okay, return the number of strings in words that contains pref as a prefix. Okay, a prefix of a string s is any leading contiguous substring of s. Okay, so now see this example number 1. So here this is prefix given to us, right? 80. Okay, so here in this word 80 is not in the starting, here in this word 80 is at the starting, right? So here count, increment the count to 1. 80 is not in the beginning, 8 is in the beginning, so increment the count to 2. Okay, so my output is 2. Okay, that's it, that's what we need to do. Okay, so now let's write the code for this one. So here create one variable n. Okay, and in this I'm just going to count the number of words that I have. Okay, so words dot length. All right, then I'm just going to iterate over all the words one by one. So int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and here I'm just going to check if my particular word is going to start with that particular prefix or not. Okay, so here words of I dot starts with, and here I'm just going to pass prefix. Okay, and if this word starts with this prefix, then I'm just going to increment the count. Okay, count plus plus. Okay, so here just create one variable int count and set it to 0, and once this is done, okay, we iterate over all the words, then just return count. Okay, that's it. So the time capacity is going to be of n for this problem. Okay, now let's run it. So our all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.